Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English with English Learning Podcast with Adam and Sarah. I'm Adam, and I'm feeling great today.
Hi friends, I'm Sarah. It's so nice to have you with us again. Adam, guess what? It's such a beautiful day outside.
Oh, really? What's the weather like over there?
It's sunny and warm, the sky is blue, and there's just a little breeze. Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
That sounds amazing. Over here, it's a bit cloudy. It might rain later, but right now it's cool and fresh. I love that smell before the rain.
Yes, that fresh smell is the best. So today, listeners, we're talking about one of the most common conversation topics in English, the weather.
Exactly. People talk about the weather every day. It's a nice way to start small talk.
Right. If you meet someone new, you can just say, nice weather today, or it's really cold this morning, isn't it? And boom, you're talking.
That's true. Okay, let's go over some easy ways to talk about the weather.
Sure. So first, we can use it's plus an adjective. For example, it's sunny, it's windy, it's hot, it's cold.
Yes, and don't forget words like rainy, snowy, or cloudy.
Exactly. You can also say, it's a beautiful day, or it's freezing today.
Good one. And to ask about the weather, you can simply say, what's the weather like today?
Right. Let's try a short conversation example.
Okay, I'll start. Hey Sarah, what's the weather like where you are?
It's hot and sunny. I think summer is finally here. How about you?
It's cold and windy. I'm wearing a jacket right now.
Oh, wow. That's such a big difference.
Yes, and that's how easy it is to talk about weather.
You can also add a little feeling, like, I love sunny days, or I hate when it's too hot. I can't think.
I know that feeling. When it's too hot, all I want is ice cream.
Same here. And in cold weather, I just want tea and a blanket.
Yes. And sometimes people use fun expressions like, it's pouring, which means it's raining a lot.
Or it's boiling when it's very hot.
Yes. So, listeners, when someone says, it's boiling today, they don't mean real boiling, just super hot.
Exactly. And another one, it's freezing, which means very cold.
Right. Let's use them in a small dialogue. Hey, Sarah, are you going outside today?
No way! It's freezing out there.
Really? Here it's boiling. I wish I had your cold weather.
Haha. Maybe we can trade climates.
That would be nice.
So you see, everyone, weather talk can be fun and easy. You can also mention what you plan to do, like, it's sunny, so I'll go for a walk. Or it's raining, so I'll stay home and read.
That's a great tip. It makes your sentences longer and more natural.
Adam, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I think I like cloudy days. Not too hot, not too cold. They make me feel calm and creative.
Nice. I love spring weather, when it's warm but not too hot and everything looks green.
That's beautiful. And in English, we also talk about seasons when we talk about weather. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Yes. For example, in winter it's cold and snowy, or in summer it's hot and sunny.
Exactly. So, listeners, try describing your country's weather in English.
Yes. You can say something like, in my country, summer is very hot and winter is short.
That's perfect. And when you travel, you'll use this kind of English a lot. Asking about the weather, choosing clothes, making small talk.
Exactly. So practice with friends. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. Oh, that's nice.
Haha, simple, fun, and real English.
All right, friends. That's it for today's episode.
Yes, go outside, enjoy the weather, and talk about it in English.
Yes. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with your loyal friends. Stay blessed and keep smiling.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.